Part 4. The bar chart. In Part 4, we'll deal with the bar chart. The tutorial covers general settings, legend, axis, and data. Hello, and welcome to the fourth video of our WinForms dashboard series. Here, we'll create the bar chart. Let's start by dragging the control from the toolbox. You might have noticed that the original chart is horizontal, which is set with the horizontal property. We change the bar type to single 2D. Then we customize the distance between bars and the bar width. Font name sets the font for all labels on the chart. We use here Lucida Sans Unicode, as in other charts, and gauges. Let's go on with the legend. It is aligned in the center. Here we type in the labels, separated by commas. The legend has no border. Its offset is 40, which is the distance from the plot area. Let's move on to the title. Title text sets the label. The font size is okay. Let's shift the title more above the plot area. We set title offset to 20. Time to configure the x-axis. Axis delta sets the interval for the axis. The axis has a fixed length of 300. The 0 is visible. The type of the labels is auto scale. The labels are numbers, and we want them without trailing zeros. Finally, let's edit the title label for this axis. As you see, there are many labels on the x-axis now. That's because the axis spans to 100 and we've set the interval to 1. To correct this, we will edit the initial data to include smaller numbers. Data is read from the database anyway. The y-axis is easier to customize. We just hide the labels by setting label type to empty. Time to make some style settings. First, we change the back color. As a background image, we use a file we've already added to the project. We can copy the chart brushes as a string from the value of the same property in the line chart. We use the same brushes for all charts anyway. Finally, we customize the outline pen. We have only the data left. In the Solution Explorer, we open the code for the main window. There, in the update method, we have declared 3 variables, which store the count of inspections for each property. We make a list of these variables and assign it to the data property of the bar chart. We compile and run the application. Here is our dashboard. Let's use the date pickers to see how the controls change when we change the data. The sample can be downloaded from mindfusion.eu/samples/PropertySalesDashboard.zip. Find out more about MindFusion gauges and charts at mindfusion.eu/masterchart.html. Thank you for watching.